Good morning. Welcome to Technia TV. This is Arun Bhatia from the Department of Management, here to deliver a lecture on the strategies in success in the tourism service. Now, what is tourism? Tourism is whenever you go on summer vacations, you know, outside your natural environment, either where it is your residence or your workplace, and when you are visiting the other part of the cities, countries, states, and whatever you are doing over there, like shopping, roaming, hiking, or just enjoying, then you are a tourist. So you are visiting a place, and whatever things that you do while visiting those places is tourism. You visit a place, you are a visitor, and whatever things that you do while visiting those places is tourism. Organizations, they do a lot of promotions, and they have already advertised. That is why you are visiting those places, because we just can't land up at a place and just look here and there and decide what to do next. So everything is pre-decided. Okay, and pre-decided why? Because the place is already there in your mind. So the organizations, they have already promoted, they have advertised, and they have made you aware as to what place you're going to visit, which place you're going to live. For that, of course, you have various other services which are there, on the websites. You could go to Trivago, you could go to, any Make My Trip or Clear Trip and make arrangements, book your hotels, and make your adjustments as far as your stay is concerned. So everything is planned, and then you move, and then over there, when you land over there, and things that you buy, things that you places that you go, those are all the part of your tourism activity. Now I'm going to talk about the marketing strategies in the tourism sector. Those strategies, they may not be in proper order. Why? Because we already are aware of the 4 P's in marketing. Those are product, place, price, and promotion. But over here, there is going to be little bit of variation. Why? Because first, it is the place. The organizations, they have to decide which place they have to promote, which place they would like to make their customers, their target audience aware of. So, like, it could be the backwaters in Kerala, or it could be some place, Buckingham Palace in UK. So that place has to be decided, and then you set a price for that, with everything included, whether it is a airfare, or whether the organization is going to make you travel by train, by bus, by road. So that price has to be decided, taking into consideration the visa fee, the breakfast, the arrival, the departure, the transit fee, if any. So that price has to be decided. Then once all place and price is there in place, then you have to promote, you have to advertise, you have to make people aware that so and so place is available for you as a visit, by so and so organization. Then it is managed by the people. Now the people, the guide, the person who's going to guide you through the tour, the tour operator, the Volvo bus, or whether it is a Canadian Airlines through which you're going to travel, everything has to be planned. So their people have to be put in place, so as to make their customers well satisfied, make them feel at ease. Then is the process. Process, by what process we mean is that maybe that I've booked my tickets, my travel, I've done my travel arrangements today, but I'll be traveling on, say, 7th of January. So when I land up, let's say, at Bangalore, so somebody is there to receive me and take me to the place where I have to stay. Maybe if I'm traveling in a group, I've done a group reservation. So we follow in those groups. The tour operator, he takes me to a particular hotel. He does everything. The arrangements are done. We proceed to our to our rooms. We freshen up ourselves, and then we wait for the tour operator to come. So there is an entire process involved in this kind of an activity. Then is the physical evidence. Physical evidence is the place where the service is going to be delivered. So in this case, it is the hotel in Bangalore. The last stage, I would say, is the product. Erstwhile, if we say, product comes before anything. It is because in the marketing mix, when we talk about, it is product, place, price, product, promotion. Okay, but in this case, the product is the last stage, which is the customer experience in this case. after everything is done, after the places that I visited, after I have paid the price, after that I have checked in, I have come back. Now, how satisfied was the experience, the entire thing? This is the product in the case of a tourism sector. I hope this really clarifies between the difference between a visitor and a tourism. So to conclude, I would say since India is tourism is a growing sector, and India is every year India, our country, witnesses a large amounts of tourists who are coming from the other states, from other countries, and they are moving around, and taking back sweet memories with them to their place. So tourism is a it's a growing sector. It's a sector, and for that really to happen, the country, the tour operator, all the people involved in the tourism sector, they have to go perfectly hand in hand and make sure that the customers are fully satisfied and they carry back sweet memories, good experiences. So whenever next time they feel like coming back to the city again, they are always in touch with you. Thank you so much and keep watching Techno TV.